Hey there fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide on how to book an unforgettable safari in Kenya. For choosing your destination to packing your essentials, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about your safari destination. Kenya offers some of the best safari experiences in the world. You've got several incredible options to choose from. Here are some of the top picks. We've got Maasai Mara, famous for its epic wildebeest migration. Amboseli, known for its stunning views of Mount Kilimanjaro. Tsavo, one of the largest national parks in the world. Lake Nakuru, renowned for its thousands of flamingos, and many more. Next, decide on the type of safari that suits your style. You can opt for self-drive safaris if you love the thrill of exploring on your own, guided safari for expert-led adventures, or luxury safaris packages for a more comfortable experience. Choosing the right tour operator is crucial. Here are a few recommendations. We've got Safari Travel Plus, offering personalized safari experiences. Natural World Kenya Safaris, known for their excellent services. Safari Bookings, a comprehensive platform to find the best safari deals. Remember to book in advance, especially for popular destinations. This way, you'll secure the best rates and ensure availability. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to check the visa requirements for Kenya. Make sure you apply well ahead of time to avoid any last-minute hassles. We have a video on this actually on our channel, so click on the link above, view it. Next, parking right can make or break your safari experience. Here are quick checklist. Lightweight, make sure you pack lightweight, neutral colored clothing to blend in with the surrounding. Hat, sunglasses, sunscreen and insect repellents to protect yourself. Comfortable shoes, those game drives and bushwalks. And of course, don't forget your camera and binoculars. Kenya's climate can be quite varied. The great wildebeest migration happens between June and November during the dry seasons, but be prepared for occasional rains as well. Your health is paramount. Visit a travel clinic for any necessary vaccination and medication, and take measures to prevent malaria. Finally, soak in the adventure, enjoy the wildlife, respect the habitat, and capture those magical moments. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Happy safari, my guys. Karibu Kenya.